Hey guys, it's Ronnie Young here. New Year's alone with my beautiful doggies. And Dixie, I found her a new toy today. And Five Below. Watch this. Get it, Dixie. It drives her crazy. And she licks it. Show her how you lick it. She licks it. You like that? Hey, this. Well, it usually drives her crazy. That would be the drunk guy. There it is. There it is. Okay, because I told you it drives her crazy. It drives her crazy, guys. I'm trying to go through all the sounds. That's a commenter. Maybe not. That's a fart. Look. Buzzer fart. Ain't no buzzer. Applause. Laughing. You see, guys, why I don't want to get rid of these doggies? They're daddy's babies. I will sleep in my truck with these dogs, with my body heat and 100 blankets to keep these dogs. I'll give my life for these dogs. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to cry. This is hard. It's hard. I don't want to make the doggy laugh. Got your laugh? You got your laugh? Huh? Huh? Alright, guys. Hope you like it. It's funny. She likes it. She likes barking at it. That's pretty in the dumpster. My doggy likes barking at it. I like her barking. Cause I teach her how to bark when she hears noises she don't like. And she tell Dad about it. Ain't that right, Deppy? We call her Deppy because she acts stupid, but she's not stupid. That's why we call her Deppy, because she's very, very smart. And this boy right here, he got a brain bigger than a box of rocks. He's a smart guy. Alright, guys, like and subscribe. Love you guys. Want to share this with you. This new toy I'm going to irritate her with. Yeah! What's that? What's that? She said, God bless everybody. God bless. She's licking it. I love him so much. It make me happy. I'm home alone. And I'm not home alone because I got my babies. Thank you, doggies. Daddy, love you. Alright, guys. Love all you guys. She's trying to get it. She's so sweet. I love her so much. Alright, guys. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. God bless. Ronnie Young out. Share if you want. It's funny. God bless.